Alright guys, so good morning and market is open. We came at sharp 9:15. So this sharp move has come. अब देखना ये है कि इसको ट्रेड कैसे करना है. ये एक्चुअली इम्पल्स है या फिर जस्ट दिस इज जस्ट अ पुल बैक. सो थोड़ा हिस्ट्री में पीछे जाओ तो पता चलेगा. हाउ डू यू zoom? Yeah. So this is a possibility. This. So you can excuse me. So this pullback can be treated as this or this. It doesn't mean कि बाय साइड का मोमेंटम आ चुका है बट इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते. बट इस केस पे द मोमेंटम इज डेफिनेटली बिल्डिंग अप फॉर द अपसाइड. So is there. That's not an issue. But issue is what pattern it is. So in relationship with this impulse, this is actually just one wave up. There are two possibilities, but we'll be taking care of everything. So we are either going to correct this or we are either going to reverse it. For reversing, I don't have a complete pattern. उसके पहले कोई complete pattern नहीं है, which means we are expecting a reversal. So possibility morning trades अगर यहाँ बनती है तो हम execute कर सकते हैं. Morning trades again सबके लिए नहीं है. Those who know what is a morning trade, you can take it. So possibility reversal or correction. That's what I'm expecting within I think it will take time. I think 5 to 10 minutes, but we'll get to know. What about Bank Nifty? Bank Nifty has a complete pattern. Why does this has complete pattern? Is this a different chart? What am I looking at? I'm looking at the spots. Futures के chart कहाँ गए? बता तो देते. That's what I was wondering. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. ठीक है. निफ्टी का एनालिसिस सेम है. It doesn't change. Bank Nifty, that will also be the same. But if this gives a buy setup, यहाँ buy setup के साथ issue ये है कि the buy has to go up from here. Daily पर momentum होना चाहिए. But daily is actually losing the momentum if you look at the chart of the daily structure. So this is actually losing the momentum. This is just one spike up. One spike up doesn't mean anything. See, this is one spike up, one spike down. So what is it? In relationship to trade the next impulse, we're getting the information next. So let's say अगर कोई morning trade बनती है, more interested in selling the Nifty, buying आएगी तो बैंक निफ्टी की तरफ देख सकते हैं. बट अगेन काफी एनालिसिस करना पड़ेगा. Even 1 hour की time frame is not that much supporting, but possibility. Alright, so the bias from my side today is if I get a sell setup, we'll try to sell the Nifty. If I get a buy setup, we'll put our money on the Bank Nifty. Alright.